up and sit down.
The Google Pixel 2 XL is visually very different than its smaller sibling and has a 6-inch, 15.24 cm, POLED display in a 2:1 format with QHD+ resolution. Added to this are more storage in the base model, a new camera, and a fast Snapdragon 835, with ACWLAN and LTE Cat 15. The communication modules are also up to date. As in the previous year, Google continues to refrain from including any microSD card storage extension. The two front speakers, which are supposed to provide a better audio experience in landscape mode, are new. The 64GB version of the Pixel 2 XL starts at €939, $1,117, $849 in the US. Anyone who prefers to have more storage has to pay a hefty €110, $131, to double it. As with the predecessor, you can store any pictures and videos recorded with the Pixel in full resolution on Google Drive, but this is now only for a limited period of time. The only differences to the smaller Pixel 2 are really the display and battery. The basic technical equipment is the same. Google's XL high-end smartphone has to face the gathered competition, which include the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Huawei P10 Plus, Apple iPhone 8 Plus, LG V30, Sony's XZ Premium, HTC U11, and the OnePlus 5 among others. Similar to most other high-end competitors of the year 2017, the Google Pixel 2 XL also has particularly small bezels. The visual relation to the LG V30 cannot be denied. The case is made from an aluminum alloy, and only part of the back is covered by glass. The front is completely protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The workmanship of the Google Pixel 2 XL is on a high level. It shows itself very robust and cannot be twisted, and due to the ALU technology, pressure on the panel cannot lead to any wave forming. The gaps are very tight and exact. The aluminum feels good in the hands. The display-to-surface ratio is very good, even though the bezels are even smaller in the Galaxy Note 8. The SIM slot is flush with the case and can accept a nano SIM card. Furthermore, the smartphone is protected against dust and water according to the IP67 standard, which means that it can be submersed in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to half an hour without getting damaged. Accordingly, the battery is built-in and cannot be changed by the user. The Google Pixel 2 comes in completely black color and black and white. In the latter version, the power button is orange. We already know such color accents from the Huawei P10 Plus, and while it is a matter of taste, we really like it.